using elementary operations. Okay. Now today, here we solve the inverse of matrix by of three order. Okay. Inverse of matrix of three orders. So note it. Your first question: if A is equal to matrix, if A is equal to matrix 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 minus 1 5 minus 1 5 2 minus 1 5 2 and 0 3 1 0 3 1. Okay, and you have to find the value of A inverse by using elementary row operation. By using elementary row operation. Yes, elementary row operation. So use it. So here you can write A is equal to I A, and the left side you put here 1 2 0 1 5 2, and here you have sorry minus 1 5 2 and 0 3 1 is equal to identity matrix. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A matrix. So you write in this way. Now just see in which pattern here you take in a matrix of order 3. So you that means first you make, if you applying elementary row operation, then you have to make first column as the element of identity matrix from top to bottom. Okay, and then in second column you have to also, that means, take in a same way from top to bottom, but in third column you're trying to make it as from bottom to top, bottom to the top. So in this way you can take you, you have trying to form the matrix. Okay, so here you see your first element is already formed, so your third element is also formed, so it be 0. So here here you have 2, so you make it as 2. So which operation here you applying? Yes, you can write R2 is replaced by R2 minus 2 times of R1. R2 minus 2 times of R1. So applying it, and here you have 0 already. So yes, applying here. So in first row there is no any operation. So you can write as it is 1 minus 1 0. Here you have 0. If you multiplying here by 2 and subtract from R2, that is 7, and here you have 3, and here you can write 0 2 1, and the same step is to be followed on right side also, same step. So here you applying 1 0 0. Now again here you have minus 2, here you can write 0 0 and 0 0 1 into A matrix. So you write in this way. Now come to next. Here you again form this from, that means, the element as the element of identity matrix from top to bottom in second column. So here in place of 1 there be a need of 0. Okay, but here you see that here you have 7. So 1 0 that can be 0, that means is not formed easily. Okay, so here you see that yes, it cannot be formed easily. So what you do in that case, if such type of condition occurs, okay, well, as per not rule but the pattern, okay, that is not especially rule ki nahi, you have to make this first, otherwise it will be wrong. No, uh, yes, you trying to make it as first. Okay, so if that element is not becomes as the element of identity matrix, so here you see that it is not formed as a 0. So what you do, you have to skip that, you have to skip that position. Now come to next one. So this 7, in place of 7 here you have 1, here you have 1. So first you make it. So how it becomes 1? Yes, just check it.
R2 minus 3
into 1
R3.
by 7.
Yes, 3 times of R3. Okay. So you skip it and come to next element. Keep that means yes. Here you take operation like that. R2 replaced by R2 minus 3 times of R3. 3 times of R3, and in this way here you have 1, and then it becomes 0 very easily. Okay. So yes, applying it. So here you can write 1 minus 1 0, and here you have 0, here you have 1, and here you have 0, here you have 0. No, right, its remaining elements 0 to 1 and is equal to 1 0 0. And yes, applying the same, that means operation here. So here you can write minus 2, and here you have 1, and here you have minus 3, and yes, write 0 0 1 into A matrix, into A matrix. So you write in this way. Now come to next part. Now if it becomes 1, so this first element can be very easily converted into 0. So make it. So how it becomes 0? If you applying the operation R1 replaced by R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2, in this way it becomes 0. Now at this element, in place of 2, here you have to make it as 0. So it becomes 0 when you replace R3 replaced by R3 minus 2 times of R2. So at a time you have to that means take at most 2 operation in 3 order matrix, not beyond that. Okay. Yes, applying it. So here you can write yes. So your first operation is R1 replaced by R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2, and your second operation, you can also applying here second operation as R3 replaced by R3 minus 2 times of R2, 2 times of R2. So here you applying 2 operation, yes, simultaneously. So yes, so adding, so here you have 1, here you have 0, and here you have 0, and yes, 0 1 0, and for third row here you have 0 0 and 1, and on right side if you adding these two, here you have minus 1 1 and minus 3, and yes, second row you have to write as it is, minus 2 1 minus 3, and yes, for third what you do, multiplying by second row by 2 and subtract that from R3. Okay, so here you have 4, here you have minus 2, and at this place here you have 10, 3 to the 6 7. Yes, here you have 7 into A matrix. So here you see that, yes, the product of these two matrix becomes identity here. So that gives the value of A inverse. So write it. So the value of A inverse can be written as minus 1, minus 2, 4, 1, 1, and minus 2. And here you can write minus 3, 7. So that gives the value of A inverse. Okay, noted. So that type of questions is asked, that means approx 6 marks. Generally, 6 marks questions. So you have to, that means that applying the operation both side very carefully. Generally, the mistakes of positive and negative signs be happen while that means operating, that means rows and column operations. in between the elements. Okay, so be careful while operating operation. So that question was asked in 2015. Okay, that way asked in 2015. Now next question in the same type, and that can be also that we asked in also 2015 and 11. So that is very important question. So note it. Okay. Next question. Yes, write it. A matrix is equal to, if A matrix is equal to 250, 250, write it in column wise. 0, 1, 1, -1, 0, 3. And here you have to find the inverse of matrix. Yes, you have to find the inverse of matrix. Yes, do it. So, just I suggest you, if any element, if first element is not formed here, and if any element is greater element there, so you replace it. Okay. So here you have 5 and here you have 2. So if you interchange second row into that means first row. So here you have 5 and the second row, first element of second row becomes 2. So 1 can be obtained here very easily. So you can do it in this way. Okay. So write it. So A is equal to IA, and here you write 250, 011 and -103, and is equal to identity matrix 100, 010, 001 into A. Okay, so applying R1 is interchanged to R2. R1 interchanged to R2. So you have 5, 1, 0, 2, 0, -1, 0, 1, 3. And here you can write 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 1 into A. Into A. Now applying operation. So here you have to form what? 1. So yes, applying it. So R1 is replaced by R1 minus 2 times of R2. R1 is replaced by R1 minus 2 times of R2. So applying it. So here you have 1, here you have 1, and here you can write 2. Now write the remaining elements as it is. 2, 0, -1 and 0, 1, 3. And in the same way, on right side, you have to applying the same operation. So you have -2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 1 into A. Into A. Understand? No, just see. You have to make 0 in place of 2 here. So the operation is R2 is replaced by R2 minus 2 times of R1. 2 times of R1. Yes, do it. R2 replaced by R2 minus 2 times of R1. So 1, 1, 2 in first row you have to write as it is, and in second row,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, yes,
So can we interchange R2 to R3?
yes, you can, yes, no problem. Means 0 is here and 2 becomes here, na? Yes, you can interchange, but why I am not changing here? No, the reason is that the 0 is automatically at its position. So there be a need of 0 to that portion also. Okay, that's why here I am not changing. Okay, So
Okay.
yes, it's your choice, better. You can applying any operation out of 3. Okay, yes. So applying it. So here you have 0, and at this element you can write -2. Yes, right here -2, and at this place you have to multiplying it by 2. So that is 2 to the 4, and here you have -5. -5, and write remaining elements 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 3, and is equal to, in case of identity matrix, here you can applying, yes, R2 replaced by, so there is no any operation in R1, so you can write -210, -210, and here you multiplying this by 2 and subtract it from R2, so here you have 5, and here you have -2 and 0, and third row you have to write as it is, 0, 0, 1 into A matrix, you so you can write in this way. So here you see that here you form all the elements of that means first column. Now for second column, here you have to there be a requirement of 0. So that 0 is obtained when you applying R1 replaced by R1 minus R3. Okay, and here you have to form 1. So how it becomes 1? So first of all you add it, R2 and R3. So here you have -1, then change its sign both sides. Understand? So here you can take 2 operation at a time. Okay, so do it. So R1 replaced by R1 minus R2, first operation, that is in first row, and yes, for second row you can write R2 replaced by R2 plus R3, R2 plus R3. So just write in this way. Okay. So R1 minus R2. Oh, here you have R1 minus R3. Sorry, not R2. R1 minus R3 is there. So here you have R1 replaced by R1 minus R3. So here you have 1, here you have 0, and yes, -1. Now for second row, you have to add it with third row. So here you have -1, and if you adding these two, here you have -2, and 0, 1, 3 in the third row. In the same way, you applying the operation on right side also. So here you have R1 minus R3. So you can write here -2, and here you have 1, -1. And for second row, you have to add it. So 5. Here you have 5, and -2, 1, and 0, 0, 1 into A matrix. So you can write in this way. Now just see. Here you have a require of 1, a requirement is 1, no? So what you do, you have to change, that is applying second operation. So your second operation is R2 replaced by minus times of R2. So in this way it becomes 1. So applying it, so here you have 1, 0, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 0, 1, 3. In the same way, on right side you have -2, 1, -1, -5, 2, 1, sorry, -1, and 0, 0, 1 into A matrix. Now just see, here you have 1. Now in that means third element of second column means that be a portion of A32. So here you have to form as 0. So you applying R3 replaced by R3 minus R2. R3 replaced by R3 minus R2. So here just I solve at this system. So here you applying R3 replaced by R3 minus R2. R3 replaced by R3 minus R2. So you have 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and R3 minus R2. So here you have 0, here you have 0, and here you have 1, and is equal to minus 2, 1, minus 1, and minus 5, 2, minus 1, and here you are applying R3 minus R2, so you have 5, here minus 2, and 2 into A matrix. Understand? Now just see. Yes. So up to second column it be completed. Now on third column you have to moving from that means bottom to top. So here you have already 1, and at the that means place of 2 you have to require 0. So how it becomes 0? So if you applying the operation like that, R2 replaced by R2 minus 2 times of R3, so it becomes 0. Understand? Now here you have to add it, R1 plus R3. So applying that, yes, R1 replaced by R1 plus R3. So in that case, here you have 0, and here you have also 0. So you applying R2 replaced by R2 minus 2 times of R3. 2 times of R3. Understand? So applying it. So R1 plus R3. So here you have 1, 0, 0. And on second row, you have to multiplying by third row by 2 and subtract that from R2. So here you have 0, here you have 1 and 0. Now third row 0, 0, 1. And yes, applying same operation on right side also. So R1 plus R3, so you have 3, here you have minus 1, and here you have 1. And just see R 2 times of R3. So if you multiplying by 2 here, so it becomes minus 10. So here you have 5. And 2 to the 4. So here you have 6 and minus 5. Here you have minus 5, and third row, right as it is, 5 minus 2, 2 into A matrix. So here you see that the product of these two matrix is equal to identity. So that gives the value of A inverse. So the value of A inverse three minus 1, 1, 6, 5. Oh, here here you make some mistake. Just check it. At this
So minus 15 is.
yes, 15 minus 15 is there. Yes, minus 15 beta. Yes, write it correct. Minus 15, 6 minus 5, and 5 minus 2, 2. Yes, correct. So note it. So that gives the value of A inverse. So the value of A inverse is 3 minus 15, 5, and here you write minus 1, 6, minus 2, and 1 minus 5, 2. Yes, that gives the value of A inverse. Write it. So here you see that the questions based on that means the inverse of 3 order, that is quite lengthy in comparison to that means the matrix of order 2. Okay, because here you have 9 element and you have to form each of the element as the element of identity matrix. So here you learn how you applying the operation to convert the element as the element of identity matrix. So that is only for practice point of view and learning point of view also. So you can solve all the questions which be given in your assignment. Do it. If you feel any problem, please ask me. So I think that is enough. Not enough, but that be solved from your side. Okay. Today just I give you other question on the three order, and that was asked in 2012. Okay. Trying to solve it. Can I give you a question, and you're trying it by your own, and told me what is your
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Yes. So that way, in such a way, that means just I see yes, you applying the operation carefully or not. Okay. Just you trying to solve it, and then told me what is your answer. Okay. So note third question. And that question was asked in 2012. Okay, so note it. If A matrix is equal to minus 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Yes, find A inverse. You have to find the value of A inverse by using elementary row operation. Do it. Actually, in examination, generally the question is like that, using that means elementary operation, find the value of A inverse. But sometime it be specified, yes, by using elementary row operation or elementary column operation. So here what we do, first of all, we trying to solve all the questions, yes, by using elementary row operation only. Clear? So if you make it that means complete practice on such type of question, understand, then we again trying to solve the similar question by using elementary column operation. Okay. So in this way we start here learning. Yes, trying to solve it. Done, bete. Can I solve? Okay, so you can write A is equal to AI, and here you have -1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, and identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1 into A matrix. Okay, so what you do? You have either you interchange it, or first you make the element as the element of identity matrix, then you interchange. So as you wish, it's your choice. You have to applying any way to all the element of first column as the element of identity matrix. So you have to do it by any way. Okay, so if you that means interchange it, so R1 interchange to R2. So no doubt here you have 1. So 1, 2, 3, -1, 1, 2, and here you can write 3, 1, 1 into, here you have 0, 1, 0, 0, sorry, 1, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 1 into A matrix. Into A matrix. No, yes, here you have to make 0, and in place of 3, 0 is also required. So what you do? R2 replaced by R2 plus R1. So in this way, here you have 0. Now for R3, you applying R3 replaced by R3 plus 3 times of R2. 3 times of R2. So in this way, these two elements become 0. So applying here, so that be equal to 1, 2, 3. You write as it is. And on second row, you add it with first. So here you have 0, here you have 3, and 5. And for third row, you have to, oh, you have to subtract here. You have right here 1, not R1. Yes, here you take operation R3 replaced by R3 plus 3 times of R1. 3 times of R1. So you have to add it only. So here you have 0. Multiplying by 3 and add it with R3. So here you have 4. Here you have 4. And 3 to the 6 plus 1. Here you have 7. In the same way, on right side, here you write 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. And in second element, add it. So 1 1 0, and in third here you have 0, here you have 3, and here you have 1 into A matrix. Into A matrix you write in this way. Okay, so your first column is completed. Now here you have to make as 0, but how it make a 0? So skip it, skip that element, you come to this one. Here you have to form 1 in place of 3. So how it make 1? So you have to applying the operation R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. So here you have -1 and then change its sign. Okay. You can do it in this way, or you can write it directly also. So write R2 replaced by R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. So here you have automatically, here you have 1. Understand? So do it. So 1, 2, 3. Here you have 0, here you have 1, here you have 2. And 0, 4, 7. Into, on right side, you can write 0, 1, 0. And R3, R2 replaced by R3 minus R2. So here you have -1. Here you have 2 and 1 into 0, 3, 1 third row and A matrix in this way. Now, yes, and that can be converted into 0 very easily, and that be also. So here you take two operation. So R1 replaced by R1 minus 2 times of R2, and R3 replaced by R3 minus 2 times of R1. 2 times of R1. You can apply in this way. Yes. So, yes, in R1, you have to multiplying by 2 in R2 and then subtract that from R1. So here you have 1, here you have 0, and here you have -1. Check it. And for R3, 2 times of R1 is subtracted from R3. Write first R2. So 0, 1, 2. And for R3, here you have -2. Here you have 0. And 3 through 6. Here you have 1. And is equal to, yes, applying same operation. 2 times of R2 and R1 minus 2 times of R2. So here you have 2. Here you have -3, -2. And for R2, you have to write as it is, -1, 2, 1. And for R3, here you have 0. And 2 times of R1, so 1 and 1 into A matrix. Into A matrix. So you write in this way. Now, what you do? Yes, second column is completed. Now come to a third one. So here one element is, oh, just wait. How it is -2? Oh, this element is left here. Oh, that be disturbed. Just wait. Let me take another operation. Just wait, beta. Listen. Here this element is disturbed. Huh? So R1 replaced by 2 times of R2. And here we applying operation in R1. So no, here you applying in R2, not R1. If you apply, just listen. Here you, that means there is some mistake here. Just wait. If you applying any operation and the element which you already formed as the element of identity matrix is disturbed, so you change your operation at that time. Understand? So here you see that R1 is replaced by R1 minus 2 times of R2. There is no any problem. And if you applying this operation, R3 replaced by R3 minus 2 times of R1, so this 0 is disturbed. So that's why what you do, here you can write, yes, R3 replaced by R3 minus 4 times of R2. You applying there in this way, 4 times of R2. You write in this way. Now, so that becomes R1. So 1, 0, and 2 times. So here you have what? Minus 1. And for R2, you write as it is 0, 1, 2. Now for R1, here you have 0, no problem. Here you have 0. And 4 2 ja 8. And what you have? 7 minus 8 minus 1. And is equal to, yes, on right side you have to applying same operation, R1 minus 2 times of R2. So here you have 2, here you have minus 3 minus 2. Okay, now second row write as it is, minus 2 to minus 1 to 1. And for third row, here you have 4, and here you have 4 to 8, so minus 5 and minus 3. Minus 3 into A matrix. But correct it. Okay, just see. So that element is completed. Here you have minus 1. So applying second operation, R2 is R3 is replaced by minus times of R3. So it becomes 1 very easily. Yes, applying. So here you applying R3 replaced by minus times of R3. So it becomes 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 0, 0, 1. Yes, change the sign of R3 on right side. 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 1. Here you have minus 4, 5, 3 into A matrix. A matrix. In this way. So here you have 1. Now you have to make 2 as 0 and minus 1 as 0. So what you do? So here you applying R1 replaced by R1 plus R3. So no doubt it becomes 0. Now for that you applying R2 replaced by R2 minus 2 times of R3. 2 times of R3. So here you applying 2 operation at a time. So 1, 0, and yes, 0. Second, 0. Here you have 1, and yes, here you have 0, 0, 0, 1. And is equal to R1 plus R3. So you have minus 2. Here you have minus 8. And if you add it, here you have 1. Now for R2, 2 times of R3. So if you applying here 2 times of R3, so here you have minus 8 and yes, 7. 5 to the 10, so minus 8. And here you have 6, so minus 5. Now for R3, you have to write as it is, minus 4, 5, and 3 is equal to A, into A. So in this way, here you have a matrix. So you can say that that complete matrix is the value of A inverse. Just to check, here you make some mistake. 1 minus 8, 5. Just check it. Some mistake in sign here. Yes, there is some mistake in sign. Okay, you query it by own. Just check it. What are the mistake there in taking the sign of the element? Okay, so do it by own. Okay, beta. Just trying to check it by own homework. Okay, next question. And that was asked in 2016. Oh. 11 बजने जा रहा है, वो भरे नहीं किया ये। हाँ हाँ, sorry but sorry bete, the time is about to close. Okay, okay, you trying it by own, huh?
Yes, sir.